Hello! We are excited to be introducing our upcoming video series using our new ebook, See It, Try It, Speak It. While these videos will serve as a valuable learning resource, we also encourage you to purchase the corresponding ebook to maximize your learning experience. Let us go through the best ways to utilize our ebook, as well as demonstrate how to effectively integrate the accompanying videos into your study routine. By following this structured approach, you will be able to retain information more effectively and apply it with confidence. Now let's get started. This book has been created by our YouTube channel, English for You, where we offer free English video lessons. Please try to read and complete the exercises in the ebook before you watch and do the corresponding video lesson. This will help you get the most out of your English learning experience. Explaining and describing things is a part of any language, which is why we created this tool just for you. By using English descriptions to practice regularly, you will develop a stronger foundation when it comes to English communication and speaking. This ebook is for the beginner level. We also have plans to release more books with a variety of levels, all the way up to advanced and fluent in the future. We hope this book becomes a valuable resource for you on your English journey. Now is the time to start. Ready, set, learn. Now, how to use this book. First, really look at the images. Think about the images and create 2 to 3 English sentences. Please do this before reading the image description or watching the YouTube video lesson. Study the image carefully. Look at all the details, from colors to emotions. Try to make 2 to 3 English sentences on your own based on what you see or think about the image. Secondly, memorize the description. Read the included image description carefully and do your best to memorize it. Both understanding and repeating the image description will help you to improve your English vocabulary and sentence structure. Lastly, solve the questions and review the explanations. Answer each multiple question after completing the reading. Review the explanation section and read it at least 2 times to understand why each answer is correct. Try to memorize important parts to reinforce your learning, whether it's a couple words or a few short sentences. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you with our upcoming series, See It, Try It, Speak It. We hope that you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to continue getting more English lessons for free. We do recommend that you purchase the available ebook to go along with the videos. The ebook is available at the Google Store. We thank you so much for coming on this journey with us, and we are here to support you. Remember, English is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's start today.